Nature gives every time and season a beauty of its own.
Tanaved sir, let me ask you, what are your thoughts on this quote?
I just said, Mother Nature is giving us all the beauty during this lockdown, and we could see all those things which is coming back again from the nature, like birds chirping out, the beauty of the sky. So all this is coming back. So yes, it is giving us the beauty of its own now.
Let us ask Priya ma'am her thoughts on this presentation.
Well, the presentation was really interesting. I would say well done on the research bit, well done on preparing this presentation. I would say you guys could have just done a little better in presenting it. Having said that, I think I'm really happy with the entire conclusion as well, and what can we do, as normal people as well. You don't have to be really a part of all of this, but yeah. So yeah, overall it was a good one. I was happy, but yeah, you guys can do better in coordination. थोड़ा off लग रहा था. That's it.
Thank you ma'am.
Now we move towards the Q&A session. I would like to ask Sonu sir what are his views on this presentation.
Yes. So the presentation, I like the presentation. It was very informative, and the topic, as they said, this topic people are little aware of, right? But they don't know in depth. So they have tried to put in that information, which I feel, yes, it has given me some kind of information which was required. But as Priya rightly said, there would have been little more effort on the presentation part of it, right? The content and the information is good, but it would have been little better on the presentation part. That I would say.
Thank you sir. Now I would like to ask Pradeep sir his thoughts on this presentation.
Yeah, the topic was really interesting, and I really liked the research part also. It was fantastic. One thing which Priya highlighted, the coordination between the people was not as smooth as it used to be. Like you were saying, Priya, please take over, or Ronit, please go ahead. Something of that sort kind of statement that you guys have used. But that is not something which is going to be degrading the kind of quality of your presentation. I really liked your presentation and the content as well. And let me tell you, this is a very big concern. You must have heard about. Uh, I can recommend two documentaries and one movie to all of you to watch it. One documentary is by Amir Khan show Satyamev Jayate. They have really raised this topic, and they have discussed it very well. And there is one movie of Nasiruddin Shah, Arshad Warsi. The name of the movie is Irada. I believe it's there on Netflix, or maybe on, I think it's on Netflix, or it could be on YouTube also. Do watch that. In that movie, they have, sorry, Irada.
Irada, acha, okay.
Irada. It's a fantastic movie and completely based on this problem of factories dumping all the waste, e-waste, or a different kind of waste in the ground. And what are the laws and all those things have been explained. So that's a fantastic movie on the same subject. So that is a fantastic one. And yeah, research that you guys have done was fantastic. I really like the presentation.
Thank you sir.
Now I would love to ask Kamal sir what are his views on this presentation.
For me, every time when I hear the delivery style, it has always raised the bar. Okay, so this time also the delivery I was definitely expecting at that level that they always come up with innovative ways of delivery. Uh, so here I would say the presentation, the content was for me. I really loved it. I loved it because it went on smoothly. Okay, so each slide was covering a different aspect of it. It also had the message for the audience, and the way it started that this is something very important, but it is something which is highly ignored. So that itself raises the curiosity of people to watch further as to what is going to happen. So that was, I think, the presentation wise, I'm definitely very happy with that. Delivery, they have always been doing it in innovative ways. So this time, somewhere it was like okay, not bad. I would not call it bad. I would say it is okay. It could have been better, but PPT excellent. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to ask Pranavesh sir his thoughts on this presentation.
You are on mute.
मेरे तरफ से तुम लोगों को भी कुछ वो नहीं मिला ना?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Really amazing. Because I would rather say because याद है आप लोगों को ये presentation पर ही आप लोगों को points ज़्यादा मिले थे and you led the presentation का.
Yes, sir, 9 points मिला था.
Exactly. So you were leading this presentation. I like the sequencing because the entire flow gives you a sense of education completely. Ocean acidification, पता ही नहीं था मेरे को क्या है. But then I would rather say I learned about ocean acidification at least 10-15% what exactly you gave me a picture of. Then I explored much and into depth of it. Then I understood 25%, 30%. मेरे को आगे इससे ज़्यादा जानना ज़रूरी नहीं. जितना जानना था उतना मैंने जान लिया because आपने मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा help. Today the delivery was outstanding. हाँ, छोटे मोटे glitches है. Coordination में थोड़ा बहुत ये था. Acceptable. वो कहता ना कि 10 अच्छी चीजों में 2 बुरी चीजें वो बैलेंस हो जाती है, कुछ देखने में नहीं आता. बट ओवरऑल मुझे आज ऐसा लगा कि आई एम वाचिंग अ मूवी. आई एम नॉट वाचिंग एनी कंपटीशन और आई एम नॉट वाचिंग यू पीपल दैट ओके हाँ एक कंपटीशन के ग्रुप आया हुआ है बात कर रहे हैं कुछ तो कह रहे हैं नहीं. आई वाज कंप्लीटली इनटू इट, इन्वॉल्वड इनटू इट. सो गुड. The efforts were good, the research was really good, and compared to overall all the presentation, this was fantastically done. Good work, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Here we are at the end of the fifth genre environment and also the presentation phase for this season.
So here, I Sarita and
Hi Shruti.
sign off from the last episode of the presentation phase of the Battle of Great Minds Season 2, an initiative by L&D Global Mumbai and Connect Talks.
We will be back soon with something new and insightful. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching L&D Global Mumbai and Connect Talks.